So here's a small everyday kitchen knife that punches way above its weight, and this paring knife is it. I definitely appreciate the sharpness on the knife. This blade glides through fruit and vegetables like butter. Whether I'm slicing strawberries for the kids, peeling apples, or chopping herbs for dinner, it's smooth, fast, and super precise. And if it ever doesn't meet your expectations, the company actually offers to replace it, no hassle. But what really stands out is the smart design. The knife has a slightly raised blade that doesn't touch the countertop when you set it down. This might seem small, but it keeps your prep area cleaner and avoids potential food contamination. Honestly, once you notice it, you'll wonder why every knife doesn't do this. There's also this clever fruit pulp release feature. Those tiny hollow dimples in the blade help food slide off instead of sticking, which is especially handy when you're working with juicy or sticky items like mango, cucumber, or cheese. It just makes prepping quicker and cleaner. The handle is great. It's ergonomic, grippy, and feels balanced in your hand, whether I'm quickly dicing onions or doing something more delicate like removing avocado pits. It never feels awkward or slippery. It's got a good weight to it, which I personally really like. This knife is also really good to take with you on a picnic or when you're going somewhere because of its size, and to help you prep with garnishing while camping. Even opening packaging when I'm in a rush is great. It's compact but extremely versatile, and because of its slim profile, it fits neatly into my knife area. And also, if you have a magnetic strip, you can definitely put that on there. This knife is built to last, and I've been using it daily and I love it. It's perfect, still sharp, and again, it just feels so comfortable in my hands. Honestly, this knife is now my go-to for all the little kitchen jobs. It's small, safe, and sharp, and